and welcome back to Stephen2's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook black beans. We're going to soak them and make sure that we retain all the nutrients and flavor. So if you like our videos, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos. I first wash the beans. I wash them to get the dirt off, any kind of dust, debris, whatever's in them. But also, I can wash them in high alkaline water, either using baking soda or using a hydrogen machine. We want to soak them in regular water instead of baking soda water because that can tend to pull some of the nutrients out of the beans. But if you're worried about the oils and pesticides, you can wash them with the high alkaline water or the baking soda water. I added 5 cups of water into my crock pot first, and then I'm going to add the beans. Now I'm going to add 5 more cups of water. The ratio is for 1 cup of beans, you do 5 cups of water. Now I'm going to let them soak. Some people let them soak for as little bit of 8 hours up to 48 hours. We're going to soak them for 24 hours. We want to get all the phytic acid, not all the phytic acid, a lot of the phytic acid off the beans so that they can become more absorbable and nutrient rich. So we will see you in 24 hours. So it has been 24 hours. Let's take a look. Wow, look at all that foam. So what we want to do is we want to go strain this and then fill it up with fresh clean water. 10 cups. I'll see you then. So I'm back with fresh clean water. 10 cups. I'm going to cook it on low for 10 hours. We're going to wait to season it until then. If we add salt and acidic now, it's going to become tough. Okay, I'll see you then. So it's been 10 hours. Let's see how it looks. Alright, this is the time that we're going to turn it off and we're going to add our spices. We add the spices now so that as it cools down, it sucks the nutrition and the spices back into the bean. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of cumin. Mix it around. Shut it off. Let it cool down for about a half an hour. Then I'm going to strain it and it's good to go. These beans smell great and taste delicious. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Hope you enjoy.